Hi everybody, I'm Wilco Kleine and thanks for watching one of my videos on my YouTube channel Fastlane Travel. So this video is all about my traveling life in MotoGP. So first I show you what it's like to travel to all the different racetracks in the world. That can be by road or by plane and sometimes even by boat. So and once I get there, I try to show you guys some behind the scenes footage of what it's like to work in a MotoGP team and just to get some atmosphere of the different racetracks. And once I have a little bit of time left, I also try to show some scenes around the circuit and also maybe of the country, because as you can see, I'm not just a mechanic in MotoGP, I'm also a travel agent. So like this, I try to inspire you guys to maybe visit a Grand Prix or some country. And yeah, just to get some thoughts of maybe what you like of the different places. And yeah, maybe I see you somewhere in the future, who knows? So who never saw my videos, just to give you a little bit of a taste what it's like, here are some highlights from the 2023 season. So that were the highlights. Now The winter break is over, and yeah, we have to start testing again. First test up is Malaysia, and this is for Honda this year. We have the concession rule, so we get extra testing, and that means we also have to be there with the shakedown test. So I'm gonna be almost 2 weeks in Malaysia, and yeah, let's hope we find some good stuff right there to be competitive in the 2024 season. But for now, let's start traveling. So hi and welcome from Malaysia. The bikes are all done for the official test now. That's a 3-day test we are about to do now. It's Monday evening, and so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is the official URTA test. And yeah, hopefully we can make some good progress there. The first test we used more for like seating position, because the bike is completely new and we try some different things to make Taka more comfortable on the bike, seating position wise. So yeah, that's more or less what we focused on the first few test days, and yeah, now everything is ready for the 3 extra days, and also the rest of the MotoGP class is here, so all the other riders will be on track as well. So yeah, now we can really see where we're at, or really see. It's still testing, so you don't know if everybody is going to the maximum, but yeah, at least we have to try to do our maximum, and yeah, see where we are. And after that, when the test is over, Thursday evening, I have the flight also back home. So I'm gonna be Friday morning, 6 a.m. I'm gonna be already back in Schiphol Airport, Amsterdam. So yeah, nice and early back home, and yeah, then the first tests of the season are done. After that, we go to Qatar, but yeah, that takes a little bit of time still. For now, enjoy the second part of this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.